साबिक चेयरमैन पीसीबी नजम सेठी का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान ने हमेशा ही आईसीसी में बराबरी की बात की। बिग थ्री पर भी पाकिस्तान अकेला खड़ा था और पाकिस्तान बाद में सही साबित हुआ। आईसीसी को बिग थ्री ख़त्म करना पड़ी। भारतीय एंकर ने दहशतगर्दी से मुतालिक सवाल किया तो नजम सेठी ने दो टोक अल्फाज में कहा कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती। भारत बलोचिस्तान में दहशतगर्दी करा रहा है जिसके सबूत मौजूद हैं।
But what we are saying is this, that the ICC is supposed to be an independent body. It's not the BCCI. And so therefore, you need to have a system of equity. And I have been, working on this question of equity since the big three discussions and so on. And, we were the only ones who didn't want to sign on the dotted line. In the end, we were proven right. But Rajdeep, it takes two hands to clap. Do you know what the narrative is? The narrative is that your national security advisor, Mr. Dole, is on record for saying that we're going to sort out Pakistan by sponsoring insurgency in Balochistan. That's on record. You know it as well as I do. Insurgency in Balochistan. That's on record. You know it as well as I do.